The National Judicial Council (NJC) has again asked the Nigerian Bar Association to nominate lawyers to fill existing vacancies in the Supreme Court. However, observers say it is unlikely that lawyers will make it onto the Supreme Court bench as demonstrated by how things played out in 2017. In this report, Noel Samson gets the reactions of some legal practitioners on implication of appointing practicing lawyers as Supreme Court judges.
Appointment into the bench of the Supreme Court is mainly done by the President with recommendation from the National Judicial Council (NJC). With the call for appointment of young lawyers into the Supreme Court bench by the NBA, many, especially judges, are opposed to the move as they see it as a threat into their career progression. However, these legal practitioners held a contrary view.
The first thing you do to be qualified to be at the Supreme Court, you must be a lawyer. And once you are a lawyer and you are practicing law, it shows that you are entitled to also aspire to be a member of the bench. The way he has been practicing is the way he is going to continue the practice. And it will not serve as anything. The experience you need in practice is very important at the bench, because the bar and the bench are siamese twins.
You have a situation where people like Justice Teslim Elias, Justice Nnamani was appointed from the bar to the Supreme Court. I believe there's a Latin maxim that said expressio unius est exclusio ulterius, meaning the expression of one thing is the exclusion of the other. When something has been legally defined by law, the ordinary meaning gives way. The Constitution is the ground. The Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, is the lifeblood of every democratic society.
They believe appointing Supreme Court judges directly from the bar, including lawyers in the academics, broadens the diversity of thought and experience that are much needed by the court in delivering good judgment.
Yes, that will widen our jurisprudence. In the past, we have professors. Nikitobi was a professor when he came to the bench. He was a professor, a very senior professor from the University of Maiduguri. We have had people from the bar come to the bench. Elias, a former Chief Justice of Nigeria, was from the bar. A very seasoned lawyer at that time.
Yes, sometimes age can kick in, can affect the effectiveness of members of the bench. Looking at the number of cases they have to sit through and be able to give their judgments is very voluminous. So you need young bloods in the bench.
However, legal practitioners are hopeful that what happened when such call was made the last time in 2017 will not repeat itself this time around. Noel Samson, Trust TV News, Abuja.